Hello and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer money from Facebook Pay to your Cash App account. So first of all, guys, I will tell you that you need to have Cash App card. So if you don't have Cash App card, you need to order it. So you need to open your Cash App, then go to the second in the bottom menu, which is the card icon, and from here you can get a free card for your Cash App account. So once you will receive your Cash App card, then you will be able to receive money from Facebook Pay to your Cash App account. So how to do it? You need to do the simple thing. You need to add your Cash App card as a payment method in MetaPay, guys. So how to do it? You need to click your profile picture in the top right of your Facebook account, then go to Settings and Privacy and click Settings. Then you need to click See More in Account Center on the left side. Then click MetaPay, and then you will be able to add your Cash App card as a payment method, and then you will be able to transfer money from your Facebook Pay account to your Cash App. That's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.